Hello and welcome again to R2 Select. This is the fifth part of the video tutorial about creating vector portrait using Inkscape. In this video, I'm going to color the hair. Before starting this video tutorial, I would like to say that to you to watch all the previous videos so that you can relate the shortcuts and process regarding vector portrait. So let's begin coloring the hair. First, make a new layer named as hair over the flat color layer. Now I will remove the black fill color of the hair which I have added for temporary. Select and unlock the outline layer. Select the hair and remove the fill. Now let's add hairy waves using bezier tool. You can be less precise with this. Nudge down the opacity of the image a bit cause it's making the waves less visible. Now carry the process forward. Now we are done with the hair direction. Let's select them individually one by one, holding Ctrl or Command key and color it with a darker shade of brown. Let's add a base flat color for the hair. Draw inside of the hair outline to get the base shape. Cover the complete loop of the hair outline. I should have made it first before making the hair waves, but it is okay. We can arrange this shape below the hairy waves. As the start node meets the end node, our shape is ready to color. Let's check it using selection tool. Yup, it is there, a hollow shape. Now just remove the stroke and fill the shape with matching hair color. Press D, which is shortcut key for dropper tool. The dropper tool samples a color and fills the shape with the sampled color, and so I will just sample a color tone from the actual hair from the image, and there you go, the hair shape has been colored. Now we have to arrange the shape below. Using selection tool, select the shape and send it back. Now we are good to go. Let's color this mist shape too. Now from fill and stroke menu, let's play with the hair color a bit. That's look fine. On the same layer of hair, let's add more midtones. For the hair, let's draw few shapes using bezier tool and fill them with colors. I'm filling the shapes with random matching colors for a mid-tone. With the help of dropper, mid-tones are completed. I'm gonna fancy some darker shades now and adjust it if needed using Edit Paths by Node tool. I hope you get it right. If any problem you find in the process, the comment section is open. You are free to drop the queries and I will try to answer those. Over that, let's add strands of hair highlights with brighter color of same color range, making it more brighter. So yeah, we are done with coloring the hair. Now in the next part we will see coloring the shades and highlight on the face. So see you right there.